Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll explore data analytics using AWS Athena, a powerful tool that allows you to analyze large data sets stored in Amazon S3 using standard SQL queries. Let's dive into what AWS Athena is and how it can transform your data analysis process. Now, what is AWS Athena? AWS Athena is a serverless interactive query service provided by Amazon Web Services. It enables users to analyze data directly in Amazon S3 without needing to set up or manage any infrastructure. This means you can focus on querying your data rather than worrying about the underlying hardware of software. Now, how does AWS Athena work? AWS Athena operates on a pay-per-query basis, meaning you only pay for the data you scan with each query. It uses a distributed query engine that can handle large datasets efficiently. When you run a query, Athena reads the data from the S3, processes it, and returns the result, all without requiring any server management from your side. Now let's discuss some of the key features of AWS Athena. First is serverless architecture. There's no need to provision or manage servers. You can simply run queries as needed. Secondly, we have SQL compatibility. Athena supports standard SQL, making it accessible for users familiar with SQL syntax. Next up, we have integration with other AWS services. It integrates seamlessly with services like AWS Glue for data cataloging and Amazon QuickSight for visualization. Lastly, we have the support for multiple data formats. You can analyze various formats including CSV, JSON, ORC, and Parquet. Now let's go through some of the benefits of using AWS Athena. Using AWS Athena offers several benefits. First is cost effective. Since you only pay for the queries you run based on the amount of data scanned, it can be more economical than traditional data warehouses. Next up, we have scalability. Athena automatically scales to accommodate your query load, handling everything from small datasets to petabyte scale datasets effortlessly. Lastly, we have speed and performance. With its distributed architecture, queries are processed quickly, allowing for near real-time analytics. Now let's go through use cases of AWS Athena. AWS Athena is versatile and can be used in various scenarios. First, we have log analysis, which quickly analyze web server logs stored in S3 to gain insights into user behavior or troubleshoot issues. Next up, we have data exploration. Perform exploratory data insights on large datasets before moving them into more structured environments like Amazon Redshift. Next up, we have business intelligence reporting, where we use Athena as a backend for BI tools to create reports and dashboards based on live data stored in S3. Now, let's go through some of the best practices for using AWS Athena. To get the most out of AWS Athena, consider these practices. First, optimize data formats. Use columnar formats like Parquet or ORC to reduce the amount of data scanned and improve performance. Secondly, we have partition your data. Organize your data into partitions based on common query patterns to minimize the amount of data processed during queries. Lastly, we have use compression. Compress your data files to save storage costs and reduce query times. And that concludes our overview of data analytics using AWS Athena. This powerful tool simplifies the process of querying large datasets without the need for complex infrastructure management. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into cloud technologies and data analytics. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching.